look straight ahead.
Now you're
Our
ready,
face
boys.
towards the
3,
sun.
2,
We
1.
will get through, and we'll overcome all change. It's gonna come.
We just ended the crew parade, and I can tell you, it was amazing. Everyone enjoyed it. There was a lot of energy, and we ended up with the prize giving. We won the Tobbedansen competition and the prize for the youngest crew.